Hello and welcome to Content Explorer versus Activity Explorer. In this lesson, we'll take a look at what each of these tools offers. Data classification often involves lots of documents and lots of emails. To make things easier for admins, the overview section of Compliance Center's data classification pane provides quite a bit of information. It shows the number of items classified as sensitive information, which classifications they are, and it shows details on the locations of data based on sensitivity. The data classification pane also provides a summary of actions that users are taking on sensitive content across the organization. The Content Explorer is available as a tab in the data classification pane of Compliance Center. Admins can use it to gain visibility into the content that has been summarized in the overview pane. Because Content Explorer allows you to read the content of scanned files, access to it is tightly restricted. As a matter of fact, there are only two roles that allow access to Content Explorer. They are the Content Explorer List Viewer and the Content Explorer Content Viewer. Unless you have an account in at least one of these role groups, you can't access Content Explorer. Content Explorer provides a snapshot of individual items that have been classified across the organization. It allows admins to drill down into those items by allowing them to access and review the scanned source content. This means they can look at the source content in places like Exchange, SharePoint, and OneDrive. Activity Explorer is a feature that provides admins with visibility into what content has been discovered and labeled, and where that content is located. It allows the admin to monitor what's been done with labeled content across the organization and provides visibility into document-level activities like label changes and label downgrades. When using Activity Explorer, the admin can use filters to view all details for a specific label, including file types, users, and activities. Essentially, what Activity Explorer does is help you understand what's happening with labeled content over time. It can be used to determine if your controls that are already in place are actually effective. Activity Explorer allows you to analyze files copied to removable media, files copied to network shares, and labels applied and changed. There are actually over 30 filters available, including date range, activity type, location, user, sensitivity label, and far more. It's critical that admins be able to see if the controls that they've put in place are working as expected. The tools that we just touched on here help provide this visibility.